Okay, hello YouTube and other, and I guess some vacuum groups on Facebook. This is Arbach Lover 1618 here with my weekly vacuum video. I don't know if it recorded good there. This camera glitches sometimes. We'll be starting over here anyway, so I might as well bring the film and everything over here. I'm sorry if the camera's a bit glitchy. It's not really that good of a camera. It's not even a camera, it's a phone. I had to store away my Kodak EasyShare and my Sony Handycam until I can find a new battery for the, I think it's the Handycam that needs a new battery. I think one of them needs a new SD card and the other needs a new battery. Pardon my voice, it's a smoker's voice and we all know how bad they are. But anyway, I'm just doing a weekly vacuum video with my Sanitaire sc684. And my roommate, he has all this shit over here. I'm sorry if this is glitched up. He has all this shit over here, just in case it didn't record that. Anyway, I'm gonna do my weekly vacuum video with my Sanitaire sc684. Enjoy. I know the motor doesn't sound good. It arcs a little bit. It's not as bad as it used to be, but it still arcs. It doesn't affect the performance either. So, here we go. It's dog food. There ain't nothing that can damage it. Once again, if the camera or smartphone in quotation marks, is glitching, it's not because of me. It's because the camera is low quality. Alright, well, I'd say it done a pretty good job. In case y'all didn't hear me when I was speaking in the middle of the video, that was clanking around in here. It's not anything that could damage it. It's just dog food. It's this kind of stuff. It won't damage the vacuum. Anyway, we'll go over here to the living room. I don't know how good you'll be able to see the film. It doesn't look like you can see it too well. Let me open this door here. Yep, it's a rainy day out there. But anyway, let's get going. The bag in this, it's not brand new. It's not exactly a good bag. Well, it is a good bag. I mean, it's just like right here, full of dirt from work and dog hair, and there's why. Anyway, let's get going here. Again, if camera glitching, pardon it. will go in the master bedroom and continue vacuuming from there. I do want to note one thing. I'm going to be trying to get a Dyson DC, I don't remember the number. I know people don't like Dysons. I don't like them myself, but I need something to go around the edges at work, and I don't want to bring my Hoover Wind Tunnel Supreme because, yes, it's much better quality than Dyson, and not to mention that I need to service it a little bit. I know I've said some bad things about the Dyson too, and I know people say a lot of bad things about it. Hey, I've used quite a few in my life. They are heavy, they are bad quality, and they do cause a lot of static electricity that will attract dust to it. But I'm going to be looking for a used one, which hopefully will be an older one. An older one doesn't really do anything to the quality, but still, if y'all don't like it, deal with it. Alright, next I am looking for a Sanitaire sc679 Type J. If any of y'all have one of those that y'all want to get rid of or trade, hit me up. I might be interested. But I will not trade any of my vacuums that I really love, such as my Hoover convertible. This thing for sure. My Sanitaire sc899. I've decided to keep my sc886, which is actually a sc887. My Royal or my Hoover Conquest. I have something out here on the back porch that I will show. I know some people don't like them. I'm not going to be keeping this. If anyone wants to trade a sc679 Type J for this, you can hit me up and I might be interested. So tell me how you liked it. Tell me what y'all want to see. I know I have a request that keeps asking me for longer videos, but longer videos are hard to upload, so that's why that's out of the subject. So until next time, I'll see you.